What's up, my chatpati chat? How are you all? I hope you all must be doing awesome. So, in this vlog, I'm going to cover what is a vision board, how should you make a vision board for the next 6 months. So, let's get in and let's get started. I have a diary where I have written all possible questions that you all might have had. So, let's get started. A vision board is a mix of images, codes, and little reminders that you need every day. A vision board is kind of a visual representation of your goals. The answer is simple. We are human beings, we constantly keep changing. You tell me that we aren't the same person after a few months, right? As we have new experiences, our priorities and interests keep on changing, and that is why our goals may keep changing as well. And what if after the 6 months our goals are achieved? We need the new ones, right? So that is why make a 6 months vision board only. That is much more easier, that's not overwhelming, and is better. There are two types of vision board. One you can make is online and keep it as your wallpaper, and second one is a physical one. You will find a lot of vision board inspos from Pinterest, and you can directly download it and keep it as your wallpaper. But if you want to customize one, you can download your favorable images from Pinterest, edit it on Canva however you feel like, design it, and then keep it as your wallpaper. There are two types of images you'll need practically. That is, once you print it. First images are the larger images, which are your goals. Like, for example, I want to overcome my social anxiety. So, I have taken a printout of this. So, these are my larger images, my goals, as in. The second ones are the small quotes and affirmations you'll need on everyday basis, which would connect all the larger pictures and would be in some random place in between. I'll show you. I took this inspo from Pinterest. Gen Z vocabulary for those all who don't know. Inspo is inspiration. I searched vision board sticker inspo and downloaded this directly. It has small quotes, affirmations, and all that. So this will help me connect all the big pictures or goals that I have. Now let's talk to what all material you will need apart from these. You will need a cardboard, your size. Fine. Like for me, for example, I have taken a cardboard and sticked a chart paper of my favorite color on it. Let me show you. You can take a cardboard of your size. This is my favorable size, so I have taken this size and pasted a colored chart paper on it. You can paint it either, your choice. Secondly, you will need a Fevicol for sticking all the pictures on it, and a scissors obviously for cutting it. Now let's get back to the questions. Let me repeat for once. First, you'll need the larger pictures that are your actual goals, and a small affirmation which will cut it out, which connect your larger pictures together. Okay, so there are a lot of aspects like relationships, careers, health, and the ones which are important to you. Stick to that and download pictures from Pinterest which favor your goals. Secondly, if you're working on some insecurities, so try adding some visuals or some affirmations which help you get over your insecurities. So don't pick pictures which are very aesthetic. Choose pictures that represent the life you are working for. Like, assume the best version of yourself. How would it look? And download the picture that resonate with it. So keep it balanced. Keep your vision board balanced. Do not overcrowd it with a lot of goals, but at the same time, do not keep it empty. Focus on some goals that you want to achieve in the next 6 months. See, it's completely up to you. But I feel that vision boards are for you. So keep it at a place you visit often. If a few people see it, that's fine, but you do not yourself have to show it to every single person because it's literally your vision, right? Also, your vision board doesn't have to look like anybody else's, like any random YouTube inspos or Pinterest inspos, or neither anybody else's. Do not try to make your vision board the perfect one. Do not chase perfection. If you do it, you'll never finish it off and you'll never have your vision board, and you won't be able to work on your goals that way. So just make it the way which feels right to you, and you have to see it for the next 6 months. So make it the way you love it. Remember one thing, chat. 5 to 6 months of discipline can make up for 2 to 3 years you have wasted. So lock in and surprise yourself with the best version of yourself. That's all for today. Good night. Your Chatpati girl signing off. Bye.